It's a 2017 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. It comes with all the amenities you need: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection proclaims the Tundra bewilders with sheer equipment possibilities. Whatever the purpose, there's a Tundra for it. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.